Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. My name is Robert and today we are playing War Thunder Army Section USA Tier 1 M2A4 Tank, and this is the first time playing this. No idea how this will handle. And before we start, feel free to subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me out. Hit the post notification bell. When I drop new content, you'll know about it. And give the video a thumbs up. Alright, now let's see how we do. Okay. Looks pretty straightforward. Here's our map. One control point. Two starting positions. Looks like desert terrain. Okay. That's fired. Alright, let's see. Okay. This way. I'll just do my thing, let them all go to A. Go past it. Ooh, this little guy is fast. Mountains. Okay, what's this? I think it's defended and manned. Alright. Keep them up safe. Some kind of oil operation. Oh! Well, that was funky. Wow! Alright, 2 targets. Oh, total miss. Okay, another guy. Moving doesn't work, gotta stop. Oh, a little, oh wow, oh, a little graphic on the top. Okay, so I did hit him in the tire. Right in front of me. Oh, he shot at me. Alright.
Forces have captured a zone.
Right there. Critical hit. Oh. Riser or a gun. Okay. And target destroyed. Shooting jets. Okay. But I'm back into the zone 8 capture point A anyway. Okay. Someone over there. Oh, there's some stuff on that. Oh, nice shot. Okay. Alright. Oh, it's 2 of them. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you hit me. That's been a ricochet. Help out your teammates. Yeah, you're close on that one. Back.
Keep the pressure on. Victory is close.
Oh, mission over. Okay. That's good. That's good. Alright, how did I do? Fourth on the team. 4 vehicles, ground units destroyed. That's not bad for the first run. Not bad at all. Okay, make sure I don't hit the wrong buttons here again. Right. Well, that's been War Thunder Army Section, United States of America, Tier 1 Tank. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Goodbye.